Hello, and welcome to Vessel Bible. In today's video we shall be viewing SuperYacht VIVA. VIVA is a superyacht with a length of 94 meters. She was built by Feadship and was delivered in 2019. She features an exterior designed by Azure Yacht Design and an interior by Peter Marino. Although VIVA's owner is unknown, it is believed she has an estimated value of $175 million and an annual running cost of $17 million. She was particularly designed to have a minimum environmental impact, thanks to the owner who had an ambitious goal. Even though this new custom yacht is almost 32 meters shorter than his previous Feadship model, it was meant to be just as eco-friendly. According to the shipyard, this was achieved by implementing a highly advanced hybrid propulsion system. Although the company hasn't released more details regarding the capabilities of this system, it's supposed to enable VIVA to cruise at 12 knots on diesel-electric power. The majestic yacht's hull was also engineered to be more efficient and require less power to travel. These sustainable features were integrated into a yacht that maintains its luxurious, top-of-the-line character. 3 tiers of glass superstructure embrace VIVA's decks, perfectly complementing the yacht's pearl white livery. On the ranking of the largest yachts in the world, VIVA is listed as number 85th. She is the 7th largest yacht built by Feadship. VIVA has a steel hull and aluminum superstructure. Powered by 2 MTU diesel engines, she can reach a top speed of 20 knots on traditional diesel and a cruising speed of 12 knots on diesel electric. She has a range of more than 5,000 nautical miles. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video.